How Susy Orman collected and earned all of her wealth. Inspirational come-up story. At the age of 30, she was still a waitress making $400 a month. We all know Susy Orman, whether it's from her famous talk show or her guest appearance on The Simpsons, Captain Chase. But how did she get so famous and earned all of her wealth? Let's take a look at her early life and her accomplishments. Early life and education. Orman was born in the south side of Chicago on June 5, 1951, to Jewish parents of Russian and Romanian origin, Anne and Mary Orman. Her mother worked as a secretary for a local rabbi, while her father, an immigrant worked from Kiev, worked in a chicken factory and managed Morris Deli in Hyde Park. She attended the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign and received a BA in social work in 1976. In 2009, Orman received an honorary doctorate of Humane Letters of the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. The following year, in 2010, she was presented as an honorary doctorate of commercial science from Bentley University. Career.
These designer brand clothes and watches like everybody else. But
after finishing school, Orman moved to Berkeley, California, where she worked as a waitress. In 1980, she borrowed $52,000 from friends to open a restaurant. According to Orman, as an investment novice, she invested that money through a representative at Merrill Lynch, who promptly lost her entire investment in trading options. Later, Orman trained as an accountant executive for Merrill Lynch, where she reports that she learned that the type of investment her broker had put her in was not suitable for her needs, as option trading is considered a high-risk but high-reward investment suitable for only high-net-worth individuals. Orman further asserts that it was unexplained to her that because her broker was the highest producing representative in that office, his actions went unchecked. After completing her training with Merrill Lynch, she remained at the firm until 1983, when she left to become a vice president of investments at Prudential Bash Securities. In 1987, Orman resigned with the Prudential and founded the Susy Orman Financial Group in Emeryville, California. While there, she published a booklet, The Facts on a Single Premium Whole Life, which compared single premium whole life, universal life, and single premium deferred annuities. She distributed copies of the booklet for free to anyone who requested one. She was director of the firm until 1997. Books. Orman published 10 original books between 1995 and 2020. You've Earned It, Don't Lose It in 1995, The 9 Steps to Financial Freedom in 1997, The Courage to Be Rich in 1999, The Road to Wealth in 2001, The Laws of Money, The Lessons of Life in 2003, The Money Book for the Young, Fabulous, and Broke in 2005, Women and Money in 2007, The 2009 Action Plan in 2009, The Money Class in 2011, The Adventures of Billy and Penny 2017, a children's book. Orman also published 3 updated versions of her best-selling book, Susy Orman's Action Plan, New Rules for New Times in March 2010, The Money Class, How to Stand in Your Truth and Create the Future You Deserve in 2012, Women and Money, Be Smart, Strong, and Secure in September of 2018, The Ultimate Retirement Guide for 50 Plus in 2020. Her show.
Happy Hanukkah, everybody. I hope you are having a wonderful evening.
The Susy Orman Show began airing on CNBC in 2002. In February 2008, Orman gave away copies of her book Women and Money for free following an appearance on The Oprah Winfrey Show, generating almost 2 million downloads. 2008 to 2010, she was portrayed on Saturday Night Live by Kristen Wiig. Orman has been featured on the Food Network's Paula's Party. In January 2011, Orman appeared on Oprah's All Stars. In January 2012, Orman's 6-episode TV series, America's Money Class, with Susy Orman, premiered on OWN, Oprah Winfrey Network. Orman wrote a financial advice column for O, the Oprah magazine. She's the former author of Yahoo's Money Matters and writes for the Costco Connection magazine. She contributed to the Philadelphia Inquirer, Lowe's Money Works, and Your Business at Home magazine. Orman's final episode of The Susy Orman Show aired on March 28, 2015, reportedly so that Orman could develop a new series, Susy Orman's Money Wars, for Warner Brothers Telepictures Productions. Orman hoped the show would premiere in 2016, but it was not produced. In 2016, Orman was appointed as a personal finance educator for the United States Army and Army Reserve. In 2018, Susy began serving as a special advocate for the National Domestic Violence Hotline to help spread awareness regarding financial abuse. Susy is currently the podcast host of the twice-weekly Susy Orman Women and Money podcast. Susy has been called a force in the world of personal finance and a one-woman financial advice powerhouse by USA Today. She offers advice for every situation and goal on her website, and even has a 10-year-long challenge plan for you to collect and earn wealth for yourself. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.